Do you want to pin chats in Instagram? You can pin someone's message on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to pin chat in Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Pinning a chat message on Instagram is to prioritize and easily access important conversations. It's a feature that enables you to keep specific chats at the top of their direct messages list. The primary purpose of pinning a chat is to easily access important conversations. To pin a chat in Instagram direct messages. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in the Instagram newsfeed, navigate to your direct messages by tapping on the message icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. You can swipe left on the screen to access your chat list. In the direct messages section, you'll see a list of all your chats with friends and followers. Find the chat that you want to pin to the top of your direct messages list. You can scroll through the list to locate it. Long press on the chat that you want to pin. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the pin. Once you've selected pin, the chat will be moved to the top of your direct messages list and will remain there until you unpin it. If the pin option is not available in your account, please make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. And this feature may not be available in business or creator accounts, so switch to a personal account. You've successfully pinned a chat in Instagram direct messages. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.